There's just one thing that I need to share, and I preached a little bit about it last weekend at church. And as the Lord just comes to me and says, it's time and season that we take up his covenant, that we become into oneness with his covenant. And covenant means berit, a Hebrew word. It means it's a treaty, it's a compact, it's agreement, and it's to cut. Where they cut, the fire comes and cut a sacrifice in two. That is when you make covenant. As agreement to a set of obligations. And what's very important with this covenant agreement, it's not just a covenant from God to us. A covenant is both parties have equal standing and made promises to each other. A covenant is two parties that come into agreement and make promises. So when you got saved, reborn, born from above, you came into covenant, you came into agreement. And we need to look at our lives right now. How does our agreement, our covenant look? Because God's one is yea and amen. He never breaks covenant. Because in that covenant is the unlocking of all your promises, your blessings, your almighty things of Yahweh is in it. It's an eternal blessing that awaits you. That's not only for you, but it says up to 1,000 generations. And um, what's very important, it talks about your covenant will be you'll be more than the stars in heaven, which is a heavenly covenant, and the more than the sands of the earth, which is an earthly covenant. And when we really take hold of that covenant, we're bringing heaven and earth together. And you've got all the nations under you. Everything is under you. So really go and meditate on it. How does your covenant look? How does your agreement look? Are you still keeping it? Because we're in the season where if I look at Jesus some days and some nights in the night, he's like a little, have you seen a little 4, 2, 3, 4 year old boy standing, waiting to get a present? He's so excited to get a present. Now that boy, what I think is like Jesus standing there, so excited to hand you the present. That's the difference. He is so excited, he wants to hand it to us. That covenant, he wants to make the covenant a reality, a manifestation in your life. So get into that place and let's get hold of it and meditate on it so that we can be the manifestation of the covenant.